Good morning.
Good morning.
Is this the energy of breakfast? अपने पीछे रह सकते हैं, अच्छा रहेगा थोड़ा. What is it all about energy? How many of us are aware about energy and how it can be of use in our day-to-day life? What is your idea about energy?
It cannot be created, cannot be destroyed. How much energy you absorb from universe will be more energy.
Okay. What else? Yes. What else?
Energy only we are here, sir. With energy only we are here.
Acha, because of energy we all are here. Okay.
Capacity to do work is called as energy.
Capacity to do work is called energy.
Kinetic and potential.
Okay. Have you experienced energy?
Yes.
Huh? How did you experience?
You will experiencing yourself.
Okay. Anyone else?
Nature also.
MFRT ka tempo. That's the energy. Okay.
You go to nature and you can
Experience the energy. Okay.
I was told that's a cosmic energy also.
That's a cosmic energy. Okay. We will experience energy today. But because with sessions like this, I think we should invoke. Okay. So that yesterday some of our speakers also mentioned that it's not only the intelligent mind, but there is something more than that, which is the wisdom. And he actually meant something which is related to again energy. Because whatever we are doing in our day-to-day life, interacting with people, it's actually we are transferring energy. Like in most of the sales session, I just go and I tell, hello sir, how are you? And the energy goes. And if I shake hand, hello sir, good morning, the energy is different. And that's how the whole process of energy is. So we'll just, few things again when we are talking about energy, we will try not to cross our hands while we are attending sessions or when we want to accept something. Because when you are crossing your hands, you are actually blocking energy. The things which should come to you, they don't flow to you in a way it should flow. And the second thing is, when you really don't want to listen to something and you really want to, if somebody is fighting or if you are in a hospital or something like that, that's the time you should be like this. Because that's the place you need not be affected with that energy, whatever is there all around. So I think in a session like this or in a conference like this, we all should be open. So we will be open, I think not only for this session, for the rest of the day. That's a better way. Yeah, the lower portion is still allowed. Because again, in a conference, if your lower chakras are a little bit swinged, is okay. As long as the upper chakras are open, that is more important. So that's how the energy consciousness is all about. This is all the strategies you can use while you are talking with your customers or with people whom you are interacting, so that the expression becomes better. Whatever results are coming to each one of us, these results can actually be increased 10 times, 20 times and maybe much more. Just if we are conscious and aware about the energy. That's what we will be doing. So let's just invoke, okay, to the Supreme God. I think all of us can just put our hands like this and we can just close our eyes for a minute and you can just repeat or just all this within your mind. To the Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, all the great ones, Holy Gurus, Holy Masters, Holy Angels, spiritual helpers. We humbly invoke for your divine blessings, divine guidance, divine help, divine protection, divine love and divine mercy. And while you do this, you can experience something on your hands. Keep inhaling and exhaling. As you inhale all the positivity around you. As you exhale all the tiredness, all the unwanted energies. Feel the tingling effect on your hands. Feel the flow of energy on your hands. Open your eyes with a big smile. Okay. So now first thing, all of us have experienced energy in our own ways. But actually, you like to feel energy. Okay? So what I'm going to do, the first thing today is, you will feel energy. Can we see air?
We can feel it.
We feel it. So there are so many things. Can you see the taste?
No.
You cannot see. So a lot of things you have to feel. So that's what we are going to do right now. Some of us who are very, very sensitive, they will feel it a little faster. Some of us who are less sensitive will feel it a little later. But all of us can feel it. The first idea to start this session is to feel the energy. Because if we are not able to feel it, if not today, but once you know it, maybe you can practice and you can come under the umbrella of feeling maybe in a few days. But this feeling is very, very important. So what we will do is we will just rub our hands and I will sensitize it. Just press all your fingers. Yeah, both the hands. And now what you have to do is bring them close like this. And once you do it, you have to sit straight, your spine should be straight. And then you'll have to inhale and exhale. And just feel the energy in between. If something is pulling you close or pulling you apart, just close your eyes and inhale and exhale and feel the energy in between. And be receptive to the voice. Inhale, exhale. Try to bring both your hands a little closer. Not very close, but slowly and gradually try to bring your hands closer. Continue inhaling and exhaling. Try to rotate both your hands clockwise and anti-clockwise. Not your hands. Open your eyes and you can look at me. And again, inhale and exhale and feel the energy in between. Bring your hands a little far again. And inhale and exhale. Slowly and gradually bring it close again. And wherever you feel anything warm or anything, a patch of air or like a balloon or something, you can stop. Continue inhaling and exhaling till the time you feel something in between. Something which can be magnetic, tinkling, something like that. Anybody has felt?
Yes.
What did you feel? Something. Anyone else? Magnetic. Something is there which we can feel. Anyone else? Okay. This is all the people who have already felt something. Who are the people who have not felt anything? Okay. We need to sensitize it. But there is an energy. If we go on the terrace and if we see something, something is there. Some molecules and all. A lot of things we don't feel. But we don't see, but it is there. Now, this energy is there with all of us. We just experience it. So I think we can applaud for this. First time probably we have experienced it. This is amazing. And now how we can use this energy in our business? While communicating, while talking with people, while talking with our customers, spouse, children, so that helps us in our life in a positive way. And the results becomes 10 times, 20 times or maybe much more than that. This is what is there. Otherwise, why a person like Bill Gates with the same human body, same body mass index, or maybe a person like Sachin, why they are different? What is so unique about them? It's all how they have used this energy in their life. We all know few things like this energy, this is there all around our body. How many of us are aware about this? That we also walk with something other than a shadow, other than a body. We have a, okay, which is an aura. Yeah. So if I just draw a person, all of us, we move with us another body which is called energy body. And we keep walking. When we are meeting, even we are not meeting someone, but energetically we have met. At this point of time, I'll request all of you to see in the eyes of the person sitting next to you and just tell him Namaste. With your hands clasped. To your right, to your left. No need of touching. Only just looking into the eyes and telling him Namaste. This is again an energy contact. Many times, a lot of people have reservation in shaking hands. This is all, but you have done your work. This is by way of telling Namaste. I will not go into the detail of the word Namaste, but we have an energy body, that is for sure. Now, how is this energy body used? How we can use it in our business? Why these people whom I named? It can be Amitabh Bachchan or Rajnikant or Bill Gates or any person, or Ramdev Agarwal ji or anyone like that. What is that uniqueness or what is that charisma? Good, you have given me a good connect. Why children don't feel that? Usually, at the end of the day, they are so energetic and they will continue to do that. This is all because of this energy. But now what happens? Why this energy consciousness is different for some people? Why some people have got so much progress compared to these people? There is some block in the energy. Very good. See what happens, all of us have this energy body. But the point is, how much clean is this? There is pollution all around us. When we move to a place which is highly polluted, it becomes suffocating for us. And we just don't feel like being there. So we try to come to some place which is like, if it's a garden or maybe a hill station and all, as he was telling me to come to Kodaikanal and yesterday when we were talking. So all these places, why you feel good? It's all because of the energy. So how many of us take a regular bath? Once in a day at least. Everyone. How many? So that is what you are doing, is cleaning your physical body. But are we aware about this energy body? Are we doing something to clean this on a continuous basis? The more this is being done, the more the progress can be ensured. So when we are walking and moving with this energy body, what is happening is we have this pollutants all around us. This small things which is there, we can call it pollutants. Now these people, like whom I named, all these successful people, very successful people, they may not be spiritual masters, but with the act or whatever they are doing, they are ensuring that their energy body is cleaned every day. And more clean your energy body is, more magnetic you become. The day before yesterday, when we came, Mr. T.T. Rangarajan was just entering this hotel while we were entering. My God, everybody just like a magnet, he's just pulling everyone. I came to know that I think every Thursday he is there in Pune. Yeah, for this month of August. So it's like that, or even for say, let's say Rajnikant, or Amitabh Bachchan, or Sachin Tendulkar, all of these people, if they just come and if somebody knows, everybody will just, it is all happening just because this energy body is cleaned. If you can remove all this and make it clean, you are actually becoming more and more magnetic. And once you become magnetic, and when you are clean, you are going to attract all those clients who are super positive, super rich, and people who are actually willing to do business with you. Even your spouse or girlfriend or all those people whom you are going to attract, they all will be like that. Have you met some people जो बोलते हैं मेरा तो दिन ही खराब है, my luck is so bad, पता नहीं क्या होगा, and you will see one after other sequence of all bad things happens with them. I get into trap of all these people who are not paying me and things like that. On the other side, some people will have automatically things like in auto mode wherein everything is happening, whether they are not doing it consciously, but they have worked on one area of their life, and that is their energy body. So does it make sense to be aware about the energy body? When we are working so hard, we are doing so many things in our life wherein we actually want to get success, we want to reach those goals and become more and more successful. So why not be little aware about this energy and then do whatever we wish to do? Just being aware is very, very important. And then working on it, obviously I will be sharing few techniques which can actually help you instantly to have this all there. And on the other side, let's say if somebody is there and if his aura is very small, obviously this also becomes, this can be big. Bigger it is and cleaner it is, you will be attracting more number of people. If you are connected and if your reach is in a bigger area, obviously you are going to connect to people and reach to a lot of people, no? But if it is small and shrink and polluted, obviously your attraction will be limited to limited number of people and you will not be able to take it further. So what are these techniques? What is it all about? How we can use this in our business? Is this making sense? Beginning of the day at 8:30 in the morning, we had a late night party yesterday, and now we are all talking on a topic which is again little out of mutual funds. But this is very much a part of mutual fund, or rather any sales profession. हाँ जी? हाँ, वो भी energy थी. Yes. So how it actually works? What is it all about? So maybe I'll share a few things, which is slide change. So this energy, what do you think you can do if your aura is clean, or if this energy body expands? How it can benefit you?
I can do what I want.
You can do what you want.
You can do the things without tiredness. You can do the things with lot of energy and passion.
Yeah, tiredness will be less. Very, very correct. And he can do all the things what you want. Yes, at higher levels, you are right, but again, there is not anything as you like. There will be different.
You can positively influence people.
You can positively. Can we influence negatively also?
After practice.
After practicing? So we are talking about removing this pollutant, so how can you talk about negative things? If you have a white color with you, how can you paint something black? Can that be done? It's not possible. When you cannot do that, obviously you will not attract people like that. You will only attract customers who are really wealthy, who will only attract customers who really want to plan for their future. You will only attract people who actually will be doing business with you, and there will be no wastage of time. Because in our profession, as Mr. Nair was also saying yesterday, it's all about the time. We have very limited time. I think that's also the voice energy. First I was thinking वो भट्ट साहब के पास जाने से हो रहा है क्या ऐसा? But no, it's not that way. So it's all about energy that way. And maybe we'll do an experiment a little later. I'll just show you. This is something which are there. Just don't write anything. Let it be. Let's all feel the energy. What's there? So the idea here is we all have that much power, and we just are limited to only our. It's only we have limitations, which is with our thoughts only. Nothing more than that. Otherwise, everything is there. Maybe some of us who believe in lifetimes, so we have all the experience of, I think, few hundred lifetimes with us. So that is also there. So we need not think or bother about that. Not required. But anyways, these are some of the things which is very, very important in all our life. We all are living, we all are doing whatever we want to do so that we have a good health, good relationship, we are prosperous, and finally, we live a spiritual life. So becoming energy conscious itself will ensure that you are inclined spiritually. Spiritually does not mean religion. Spirituality actually means, are you conscious, are you aware about energy? If any one of them is shaken, or if any one of them is disrupted, what happens?
It's a total balance is lost.
If the total balance is lost, what happened?
Life becomes mess.
Life becomes mess. Life becomes miserable. Life, everything will fall apart. Yeah. What else? और क्या हो सकता है? Which means all of us are telling that something which will go away is the peace. So something which actually goes away is all about peace. So any one of this, if not there, the peace, getting everything into a mess, it's all a result of that. So this is what happens. Then next, somebody, I'll use you as a volunteer, come. Somebody little strong, yes, please come. You have I'll request him to just put his hand like this, okay? Ekdam strong, tight se, okay? Now you will not have to do that. You are a strong man. He's strong. What you have to do is just put it down. And let everyone see this. You belt like this so that everybody can see. Yeah. With one hand you can do it, I know. Okay. You have a mobile phone with you?
Yes.
Please give it to me. Keep it with you. Okay. Now you do it. With 2 fingers also probably.
2 fingers.
Good. Give the mobile phone to me. Now do it. Do it strong. You are a strong man. Okay. Did you experience something different? Okay. One is, there is no mobile, nothing like this in your body right now. No. Now you do it. And see the strength, how much you are using. You can use your full hand. Normally. Yeah. Okay. And now you have this phone with you, and now you do it. Which one is easy? What do you feel?
Without mobile.
Without mobile it was strong.
Yes.
Without mobile it was strong. Okay, why don't you, with the mobile now, now you are trying the same thing. Now I am putting my hand over here. Now you try. Okay. Can we give a big applause to both of them? Thank you. I just wanted to share one thing, that the gadgets which we are using these days, this is actually weakening our energy body. This is actually shrinking our energy body. A strong man like him, okay, again and again I'm telling, okay, and he's also strong. But when he was like this, without any gadget, it was comparatively more stronger. But on the other side, it became weak when he just added a gadget to that. Why I put my hand and it became again strong, that's again a different thing which is out of purview of this session. Huh? Yes, I will tell you. I'll tell you a lot of things till the time we have the time to leave this hall. So, till that time I am going to tell. That's absolutely fine. So, ये क्या हो गया? Okay. Now, while we are talking, no, let's say, I think this I have shared with a lot of you. There are certain techniques, certain schools which are energy-based schools. So I will recommend each one of us in this room to be a part of any of those energy schools. Some of Reiki practitioners are there, pranic healers are there. And these are some of the places wherein I'll not tell you whether it interests you or not, it's not that important. The idea is you will become more. In this 30 minutes, 35 minutes, it's not possible to talk so many things. So I'm only focusing on certain techniques, certain strategies which you can help and which can actually inspire you to be a part of one of those schools in your own cities. Pranic healing. Okay, this is all about energy. So be aware about all this and then use it in your business. I have been using it for last 8 years and it has become a part of my life. I will not eat anything until and unless I have practiced for 1.5 hours with all my activities. It's more than 8 years now, since 2007. So this has actually changed my life at least. It is, I am more disciplined. Certain things will, but if this is not done, it is not going to happen. I will not do the next thing. So that way, peace. There are certain centers, okay? There is a very, very popular meditation of pranic healing. Some of you, who is a pranic healer over here? Anyone? 1, 2. Sanjeev, haath utha do bhai. So, there you know, the important thing is activating your heart and crown. We will not do the meditation today. Probably some of our friends have requested if we can have a meditation tomorrow. So tomorrow, just before the BBN session, all those people who will come for breakfast, but before your breakfast, and if you have taken your bath, okay, we will have a 22 minutes meditation. So 7:30 we start, so we will do it at 7 o'clock. 7:15 we will have a meditation over here. Huh?
Small addition. What you shared about the energy thing, the thoughts of another person also can make you down.
Yes.
So that is also
How to protect yourself?
Yeah, that is also
I actually shared. You have to cross. There are many, many more techniques. If somebody is fighting with you, or if somebody is just continuously, see, कई बार क्या होता है ना, what happens, a person, a working man, he will go to home and throughout the day, वो संतोष नायर की आवाज में बेचारा थकेला है, परेशान है, दुनिया की ठोकरें खाया हुआ है, and when he reaches home with all his dirty energy and aura, and his wife asks him, क्या खाएंगे? अपना सर को फ्राई करके दे दो, वो खा लूंगा. This is what he will say. But again, when he is telling like this, and then after some time she also gets irritated. But actually the irritation has not come because she has done something wrong. The energy transfer, what has happened at this point of time, because of all this pollutants which he was carrying with him, that has actually affected. This is contagious. In Bengal we have a disease which is for eyes called Joy Bangla. That is called conjunctivitis. So this is more contagious than that. How many of us have read this book, The Secret? Most of you. All those who have not read, please go to the Access Mutual Fund stall. They are talking. I am not promoting them. But it is, they are very much in line. Harsha has been doing good work there. So that's really nice which he has done. But so when this husband comes and without telling, it is, and sometimes no, he is not telling anything. But wife starts shouting at him. It is all because he actually contaminated her aura. He has contaminated her aura and he has created all those differences. And then she will shout and he will shout and she will shout and he will shout and the story continues. So this is how we are doing in transferring energy every day. So the best way is to leave your home or to do all those good things in your life or sign up for proposals by activating your own heart and own crown. Now how you can do it? Okay, just put your hands at your heart and put your chin down. Try to think something bad about someone. Try to think all the bad things whatever has happened in this conference. Chin down. Open your eyes. How many of you could think of such few bad things? कुछ तो कहीं तो. Do you know why it happened? I can guarantee nobody can think, boss. Because you activated your heart. Number two, your chin was down, which means you are humble. And a person who is humble and whose heart is activated, he can never think anything bad. But if somebody has slapped you also. Are you with me? Yes. Making sense? Yes. Now, just raise your head. Try to think something bad. Try to think about the person who actually was doing bad to you. And probably think of his face. Okay, down. I don't want you to be in this mode for a good number of time. You still can think. Probably you are in a mode right now, may not have come, but somebody, किसी को कोई दिमाग में आया ध्यान में? आ सकता है. Because this is a posture, a simple, your body posture and your energy actually changes. And you can think. So how we should go to a client? Or maybe to our spouse? Or maybe we should be with our children? Should it be? And see how it works. So the secret is with your heart. Prosperity ki jo chabi hai, the secret is from her heart. All those people who have big heart, that is why in Hindu mythology, why they call mythology I don't know, because it's not a myth, it's all fact, but still we call it. It's all about heart. The Lord of Heart is? What, sir? Vishnu. Okay? So it's all about activating your heart. And all those people who have actually activated their heart, they have actually got Vishnu. In our life, anyway, I was talking about energy and I started talking, that's a different topic. But there is a Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh in each one of our life. Whether it is Christianity or whether it is Islam, we have all these three things there. Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh is in Hinduism. Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh is in Christianity, which is God the Father, Son and Soul. In Islam, the names are different, but it is there. And it is all energy. What is Vishnu energy? It's all about heart. What is Brahma energy? Can anyone tell? Intelligence. Okay. And what is the Shiva energy? Destruction of evil or the power. So these three energies are there. We'll not talk about those energies, but let's see how it can work. This activation can actually make our energy body automatically big. So whenever you actually want to know, what happens now while you are going to office and somebody hits your car and you feel bad, and then after that one more thing happens, and then one more thing happens, and then one more thing happens. क्या होता है? But again, if something has happened, how you can change? The whole idea is how to change the situation. We cannot continue with that same bad thing throughout, no? So what we have to do is change. So we need to activate and then move forward. This is what I was sharing about the energy body, how it can make a difference, and obviously an energy body which is very, I think we are running. So why do we need energy in our body? Same way as the mobile phones need. There is one more technique, which is the last technique, which is I'm going to share with you, is your tongue to palate. Maybe I have shared with some of you earlier also. When this energy body is not connected at this portion. So whenever we are going to meet one of our clients, just be aware that your tongue is attached to your palate for 2 to 3 minutes, and then you see your energy body actually growing, and when you go and meet your client, your energy body is big, it is more powerful, and it is able to convince your clients in a better way. Tongue to the palate. जीभ के एंड को आप अपने तलवे पे लगाते हैं. There is a full day workshop which I conduct on energy consciousness. I think you did know once. Yeah. So this is all about just increasing. So once you touch, this is the only part which is not connected. Only the tip. You have done it and your energy body is complete. Cut. And once this is done, in 2-3 minutes, automatically it strengthens. So with this, we will end the session because we have a lot of excitements throughout the day, and for the people who will be coming for skits in this room, we will be waiting for them. The next session in this room is about a motivational speaker who has come from Trivandrum, and he will be sharing, and he is a blind man. He is Saji Matthews, which our host will share about him. And in the other room, we will have a session which is on technology, and a lot of stalwarts will be talking. So based on that, we all can move to separate rooms or wherever we wish to go. So thank you very much. Can we all applaud for each one of our presence in this room? Thank you.